Hello, are you ready for another emotion? We're going to do guilt. Yes, we're going to do guilt. Guilt is used quite frequently in a very unuseful way. We may use guilt to move people to do things, or we may use guilt on our own selves to resolve things or to motivate us to do things. And that's the least productive way we can use guilt. Guilt is a lower vibe emotion. And what do we do with all lower vibe emotions? We pause, pay attention, and then we take productive action, which means then we do the things that help to make sure that we are listening to guilt and making the necessary changes. When we use guilt to say that we're bad, and if we use guilt to demotivate us, then nothing changes, and the only thing that remains